23rd Universiad has come to a close, and it's now time to take a look back at the great events in Izmir. We asked a few questions of the principal organizers of this Universiad, and also some of Mr. Lipta Panlop, president of the organizing committee of the 24th Universiad in 2007 in Bangkok.
We promised that we would make it a success story for FISU and for our organization. We have worked very hard. All the team members were very enthusiastic and very hardworking, and we came to the end of the games. We are very happy about the results that we have gotten. The volunteers were excellent. They were with a smiling face all the time. They handled all the problems without creating any further problem. So they have worked very hard. I thank all of them, to referees, to players, everybody were excellent.
I think we try our best because it is the first time that Thailand will host the biggest sport ever in Thailand, and we try to use the new technology, especially in the management of the sport activity in Thailand. So I would like to invite all the country to join with us in the Bangkok University in the next 2 years.
Bangkok will be something different because all the facilities will be on the same site. We'll have the village and most of the facilities on the same campus. Means that less problem for the transportation, less problem for the teams to move from the facilities to the accommodation site, and for sure we'll have great games there. All the facilities are very close to the accommodation site, but we will have in Bangkok 17 sports. And the 5 sports we have agreed to put in the program as optional sports are quite new in the program for Universiade, as we will have golf, softball, shooting in the program, and really new sports in the university.
We are very pleased to bring you news and information about this 23rd Universiad over the last 10 days. We hope you enjoyed watching news reports as much as we enjoyed producing them. Goodbye from Izmir, and we look forward to seeing you in Bangkok in 2007.